Bamboo shoots an eggplant. I don't even know if I pronounced it correctly. I'm just trying. Hanschen mit Susauer. I have no idea. All right, so we made it to our Airbnb. We forgot to take the GoPro out with us, but we did discover a really cool, it's like a carnival, like a fair that's here. And we cruised the line bike through there. But anyways, so it's 7 o'clock at night, or no, 11:30. My days are all messed up. We're cruising. I promised him we'd get on the dot scooters. Watch where you're going. Don't wipe out, okay? Remember, turn with your body, not with the wheels, not with the handlebars. Come on, dude. You got this. Did you just fart?
Yeah.
I heard that. You could have blamed it on like the wheel or something. All right, let's go. Well, the good news is Mannix did not just fall. He did not just take a tumble. No, you just...
I'm fine.
You're good.
I survived.
Wait, no, you didn't fall. You didn't, right?
No, I literally bailed and rolled.
Hello. Party?
Oh, you're not a TikToker?
A YouTuber, yeah.
What is his name of TikTok?
Jeremy with a G.
How much do you follow you have?
What's that?
How much you follow you have?
Followers? 116.
116.
16.
You know you live?
No, it's not live. No. I have a whole...
Come to me with the live now.
I can't put it live. I'm from California.
California?
Yeah, we're
Oh my country. I'm from Africa.
Africa, which country? Ethiopia. I know Ethiopia a little bit. My family used to live in Ethiopia.
Yeah, you live in Ethiopia.
My grandfather was in the Navy, and they have the Navy base, yeah?
Wait,
The Navy, the U.S. Navy?
yeah, US Navy there.
They have a Navy base in Ethiopia? Yeah, they lived there in like the 1970s.
That's what they first.
Yeah. And I know there's a country next door, Eritrea, right? Yeah. I read somewhere that Ethiopian women are the most beautiful women.
Look at
It's true. It's true. It's true. All right, you guys, have a good night. Take care.
I don't care. I was just born.
Well, that was really cool. Okay, so we are at, I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. We are here. It's a center for historic information, so they keep birth records, and we're going to try to find out some information about the Fisher side of the family from Frankfurt. Dormitorium Lisa saw. We're supposed to talk to someone in here. Update on our genealogy search. We weren't able to find any of the info that we wanted today, but that being said, we know where to go, we know how to make the requests, and they have an online search feature, so we're going to be utilizing that. And next time we come, we'll have a request with enough time for us to visit the reading room. Right now we're trying to get to this church. You can see it peeking up over the top right there. We're trying to get over there. All right, I have to do a condensed tour. This is the entryway. All the way down there, living space on the left. I don't know what this is for. I'd put shelves there. Here is the bathroom. There's not a separate poop room. Storage. This was Mannix's lair under there. He had a little hiding spot. Oh, this was his other lair in here. So tons of storage. This is all storage. This is the really cool kitchen. Everything is in here. Dishwasher, fridge. Check this out. How sleek is that? And there's a freezer in here too. This thing had me messed up today. So this looks like an oven, but after reading this manual, I found out that this is also a microwave. Don't even ask me, I couldn't tell you. Here is the sleeping area. It's only a double bed, but we made it work. And more storage. This place has so much storage. We didn't even use it because, right, like I'm not gonna unpack all of my clothes for a few days. Living room. This was nice. We sat in here, watched a movie last night and this morning. There's the office space right there. The TV, I love this. So if you're watching in here and you wanna swivel around, you just go, okay, I'm going to bed now. And then now the TV is facing the bed. That's a very cool feature. And then here's the final piece. Watch out, there's a step off here. So I literally ate shit there the other day. So here's our seating area. And then this is downtown Frankfurt. This is the financial district. It was a lovely place. I enjoyed my time here because this is where my father's side of the family came from before they came to the States, which was not that long ago. My great-grandfather was the first one born in the United States. The rest of the family before him was from Germany. That's the tour. That's my condensed version. We'll check you later. So our Uber Eats didn't show up, so I had to leave and get Mannix pizza. Luckily, this place was nearby. These guys are from Cairo, and they're here making pizzas. Yo! Say hi to YouTube. So yeah, so I'm here, and I figured why not? I could just have a beer while I wait. It's 5 minutes to make a pizza, which is pretty fast. Anyways, be back at the hotel in 5. All right, this is my friends from Ethiopia that I met.
I'm from Ethiopia, Solomon.
Solomon,
I'm
that's
king
right.
of Ethiopia,
King of
Solomon.
Ethiopia. Everyone's down here having a party in the lobby. You guys take care. I'll see you. Thank you for following. So the saga continues. I ordered our food at 12:34 a.m. The only reason I picked this restaurant was because it said in 30 minutes or less. That's exactly what I put in on Uber Eats. Almost an hour and a half passes by. They haven't updated anything. Doesn't look like they're moving. I decide, well, I gotta get a little snack for Mannix because he's hungry. So I take an Uber, $10 over to this other place. Turns out to be a poppin' spot. There's a bunch of, seems like a younger crowd there hanging out. I get a pizza. I'm on my way back. The guy calls me. He goes, I'm here. And I said, well, what? You guys didn't even update that you were on the way. What am I supposed to do, right? And he goes, well, I'm leaving your stuff downstairs. So anyways, this is what I'm eating for the restaurant. It's a salad. I've never had a salad like this before. It's not bad. I want to say that. There's lettuce. There was tomatoes in this. There's some different types of cheese. I don't know what it is. Maybe mozzarella, olives, corn. There's like tuna fish in this. I've never had a salad, like an Italian salad with tuna fish. Like I said, it's not bad. It's just different. And then now I have 2 pizzas for Mannix. So weird, but whatever. We got food. We're alive and well. So I guess, you know, I could have way bigger things to complain about. Anyways, it's 2 a.m. We are going to sleep. We're gonna get up at 9. Do a quick tour of Frankfurt again on some Lime bikes, Lime scooters, and then train leaves at 12 for Dusseldorf. We arrive at 1:30. Meet up with Jess and Renji and continue the adventure. And I'm looking through Uber Eats to try and find something, and it's in German. So I was asking Mannix, I'm like, what is a Hühnerfleisch mit Thai curry und Erdnüsse? I have no idea what that means. I know it says Thai curry. Let me go into Google here, upload photo. What is Hühnerfleisch? Okay, thanks a lot, Google Earth. It detected the language and translated it from German to German. That's helpful. Hühnerfleisch mit Curry und tropischen Früchten. Oh, that does sound like tropic fruit. Hühnerfleisch mit grüner Thai Curry, Bambus und Auberginen. Bamboo shoots and eggplant. I don't even know if I pronounced it correctly. I'm just trying. Hähnchen mit Süßsauer. I have no idea. The German has this cool, almost like, looks like a B, but I think it's an S. Sosch. Come look. They have like the whole alphabet looks very similar to English. Then there's just this one crazy looking letter in there. Do you see that?
Where?
Suis. I know. It looks like a B. Is that a B or is that an S? I feel like it's an S. I don't know why.
Die PIN-Nummer ist 6122.
Die PIN-Nummer ist 6122. I'm practicing for when the Uber Eats guy asks me for my PIN number. Gute Nacht. Hello. Hallo. Danke. Gute Nacht. Die PIN-Nummer ist 6122. I got it. Mannix, I'm gonna go down and get our food. Hopefully the 3 minutes I practice my German will help me translate. See how it goes. That's my boy Salik. Salik! Yeah! Hey! I'm filming, I'm just doing a vlog, so I was just giving you props. I was saying like, you're out here hustling, man.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
So you have the pin, right?
Yeah. You ready? Die PIN ist 6122.
Dankeschön.
Yes! Practice makes perfect. I practiced that, except you speak English. So I was hoping that maybe you would be like, I don't know, you know. Thank you, my friend.
So
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Welcome, enjoy.
I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. All right, we are in Frankfurt Central Train Station. This place is massive. Huge arches going over the top. Tons of little food stalls. Maniola just got his McDonald's, and we're trying to find track 7. And I've got all of our stuff. I'm so thankful that this bag has rollers on it. Otherwise, we'd be in trouble. What?
Tastes weird.
Tastes weird.
Yeah, taste it.
Fruitsquatsch. Tastes like baby food. I don't know how I feel about it. So this train, there's a bunch of people standing. There's no seats anywhere. But it wasn't that bad. It was only about an hour. We got another 30 minutes. And then we're gonna see Jess and Reggie.